Hey guys, PaulG here. This might be kind of a quick video, but then again, I don't really do quick videos real well, but let's give it a shot. You guys like your 9 to 5? Because if you do, a small percentage of people, most people don't like their 9 to 5s. I mean, they exist and they know that they need to do them simply because they like to eat and they like to pay bills. And that's what that kind of does, is it helps them. But let's change it a little bit. I get that you're doing the 9 to 5, but have you ever thought about doing kind of like a side gig of some kind while you're doing your 9 to 5? I've done them all my life. I mean, I've been a painter and I do painting on the side. I was in a band for like 35 years, did that on the weekends. This was before, like the internet. Who cares, right? It's just, there's ways to make money on the side that will offset some income. And you never know. You could find a side gig that just works for you and also at the same time gives you more money than that 9 to 5. And you can drop the 9 to 5 and enjoy life for the rest of it. Yeah? Do me a favor, because probably more people would like to hear this. Even if they don't, it's good to do it anyway. Hit the like, hit the follow, and check out my bio. There's a couple links in there. One of them's a free book, and the other one's kind of what I'm into on that side thing. You know what I mean? See if you like it. Later. Bye.